Hey you guys, what's up? It's Jasmine here. Welcome back to another video and welcome if you guys are new. So today's video is going to be early slash pre Christmas shopping haul slash vlog. I kind of vlogged a little bit because we went to the mall yesterday. Today is December 23rd, 2019. We went to the mall yesterday. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve already. Can you guys believe it? Oh my gosh, like that's crazy. Like, oh my god, like we legit went Christmas shopping 2 days before or 3 days before Christmas Day. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have. It's right to the right of me of what I got myself for Christmas and a bunch of my family members too. Like they just got stuff and then I paid for it. So because to be honest, I really didn't know what to get my parents or my sister. They just kind of said it and then whatever they wanted, I paid for it. So this is a disclaimer that I am so grateful for all of the love and support that my parents and the things that they've given me. So yeah, I'm just going to show a little bit you guys of what I got, who gave it to me, or if I got it myself. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video. So the first thing I want to show you guys that I got for, well, my mom got for me because she didn't really get me a Christmas present yet. So she got me these amazing Adidas shoes. They're black and white. They kind of have the three emblems. And then they're the memory foam footbed cloud foam shoes because I've been wanting a really cool pair of black and white sneakers for the longest time. If you guys don't know, I've been wearing the same ones for like about like a year now, 2 years, and I haven't like replaced them or like really cleaned them. So it was time for some new pairs and my mom got them for me. I was so grateful for that. It was $24.99 because I had a bunch of gift cards. I had like 3 and I thought they didn't have money in it, but they still had money. So we used that up for my shoes, and then my sister also got sweatpants, so that's really fun. And I also got another pair of shoes from New Balance. They look like this. They're blue to kind of just, they're the 880s, and they're 7Y. They're really V9 version. They're so cool. I love them so much. They're this baby blue color with a bunch of like black little like side logos on it, and it's really, really cool. I love it. And then I got a bunch of like clothes, so I will show you guys those clothes. I got articles of clothing. I got me a belt, genuine leather belt. It's this black belt like this from Target because I've been really obsessed with wearing like high-waisted jeans or jean shorts, and I really like accessories, and one of my favorite accessories other than earrings is belts. I'm not a big jewelry person, but I love wearing like earrings, a good statement pair of earrings, and belts. I love belts so much, and bags. But as of lately, I love belts. So it looks like this is very like silvery. I love it. It's so cute. So I got that. And then I got me a couple of like sweater slash like tops. There's so many right here. Sorry you guys, I have to like pull it out. But I got a bunch of clothes, and this is stuff that I bought with my own money. So the first one I want to show you, first store I shopped at is American Eagle, and I got this cute little baby blue shirt. I'm obsessed with blue, by the way, you guys. I love blue, if you guys couldn't tell already. This baby blue long sleeve shirt in the size extra small, and it says American Eagle on like the sleeves, so that's really cute. I got that. And then I got this black, on the same one, kind of long sleeve, but it says American Eagle and like these neon yellow lettering, and it's super, super cute. I love this. It's a little big on me, but I like to tuck it in with like leggings or jeans. So I need some new outfits for college, so that's why I'm splurging, because I really am in desperate need of new clothes, even though I have so many clothes, by the way. Like, why would I splurge on even more new clothes? I don't know. Christmas, you never know. You shop Christmas. And then I got these like a long time ago, but I got like 3 items from Hollister. So I did not get these yesterday. I got these at Hollister 4 days ago when we went to another mall near my house, and it was really, really fun. I love that. We've been shopping for like the past like how many days. So I got another long sleeve knit type of cardigan. I got two. One's like light brown and one's gray from Hollister. And then I got one short sleeve shirt. It's so cute. It has flowers on it and it says Hollister. It's in this cute red color. And this is the exact shirt I use to drive in my driver's license test. So I passed with this shirt. I mean, is that superficial? I wouldn't think so because I love it. So yeah, that's all like the clothing / shoe items. The last thing, the couple things I got for me and for my parents is downstairs. You can't really see it, but I paid for their clothes. I paid for a lot of their stuff. So disclaimer. So I got this Bath and Body Works soap. I also shopped at Bath and Body Works. I got these products. I got this Bath and Body Works French lavender soap. This is for my mom. This is for the guest bathroom. So mom, if you're watching this, please do not watch this video because it shows you your Christmas present. So shh. And then I got these two fragrance mist. One says is pretty as a peach, so it looks like this. It's really cute. I've been using this one up lately. And then I recently have been obsessed with like Japanese cherry blossom flowers, so I really love that I got this mist. It's so cute. I love it. Just to kind of like spray as a perfume around like my pillows, or if I'm really just like I need some like stress relief. These are the types of mist that I really scents that I really like. Scents that I really like. And then I went to Ulta yesterday and I got these two cute little products. I've always wanted to try the Mario Badescu skincare rose water for like a setting spray, and it's really nice. You can just go it just feels so good. You can spray it on yourself. I absolutely love and would die for this product. My roommate recommended this. Shout out to Crystal. Love her so much. So yeah, that was really cool. And then last item I got from Ulta is this Pacifica Crystal's Wand Rose Quartz Facial Roller. It looks like this, and you can just roll it all over your face to kind of just relieve pressure and massage away stress from your skin whenever you're feeling like there's a lot going on. You just kind of just want to roll your face when there's a lot of like blemishes or whatever. It just feels really good. I don't know. It's like a secret like rose quartz like crystals in it. It's really fun. I love it. So yeah, that's all the purchases that I made for myself. All of this I bought with my own money, but the one like thing that like my parents, like I've been dying to get for the longest time, but my parents actually surprised me and splurged on, was a new computer. If you guys don't know, I've had a Dell PC for the longest time and it wasn't working. It just kept restarting. It wasn't good. I recently did an unboxing, so I'm most likely going to be putting in the footage of me unboxing that. I don't know if in this video or another video. I'm going to do like a separate video. But I got a new computer. This is the MacBook Air 13-inch, the one with the Touch ID, with the true Retina display. It's in this space gray color. And disclaimer, I wanted the rose gold, but there was none. And it was okay. I'm not going to be that brat or that person who's like, oh my gosh, I have to get rose gold or I'm going to die. No. So I got this one. It's just as good. It has all the specs in it. I want to show you. I recently made a collage with all my photos. And it just has so many pictures. So I made this. It's so cute. I love it. And yeah, this was a huge purchase from Costco. Usually this is $1,000. Costco was selling it for $7.99. So this was a steal so much. I love it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. The next couple clips that you guys are gonna see are actual like clips of me like trying on all the clothes and all, not the shoes, but on the clothes, and then like just shopping. I didn't get much footage, but I got most of what I could because I just wanted to spend time with my family. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I probably might insert some of my computer unboxing video, like clips. I don't know if I want to make it a full-on video, but I probably just might put in and edit some clips. So if you guys see that in there, I added that in there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Much love, and I can't wait to see you in the next upcoming videos I have planned for this channel and all that. And yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to see what content I have coming up. I definitely want to film all about college video, my experience with first quarter of college, my college morning / night routine when I get to my next quarter coming up, and just probably a Christmas like video with my with my family. But I really just want to like have so much content for you guys, but at the same time spend a lot of time with my family. We're going to Knott's Berry Farm in a couple days, so I probably might vlog that, film that for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Much love, and I can't wait to see you in the next couple videos I have planned for you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the rest of this holiday season, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Peace out. Hey guys, what's up? It's Jasmine here. Welcome back to another IGTV video. So today's video is going to be, if you guys have been waiting, I officially got the new MacBook Air. I finally got a new computer. I finally got the computer that I've been wanting for at least 3 weeks. Like maybe more than 3 weeks. I've actually really wanted a MacBook for the longest time. I actually just haven't had the money to save up and all that. So I finally got a MacBook Air. Shout out to the best parents in the world. So it's replacing this, you know, terrible, slow PC. So goodbye to this PC. I finally got a MacBook Air. If you guys don't know what this is, it's gonna be an unboxing video. So I'm gonna be unboxing this bad boy. I got this yesterday, and kind of just show you guys what's inside all of this. So let's just do it. Sorry for the lighting, it's very harsh, but yeah. So you just have this little tab, you just open it kind of like this. I've seen so many MacBook Airs unboxing or just MacBook videos in general, so I know how to do this. Kind of just slip off the tab, kind of throw away the plastic, and you just kind of just see the MacBook Air for itself. Oh my god. Okay, this is the fun part. Kind of just slide off the box. I don't know if you guys can see. Slide off the box right here. Dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, I never thought I would be holding this in my own hands right now. Oh my goodness, it's even more beautiful in person. Now, disclaimer, I really wanted the rose gold, but I got the space gray instead because we got this from Costco and there were no more colors. So this is the one that we opted for instead. And we were trying to look today. We literally just tried to go to the NEX, but literally they couldn't price match it, so I just ended up getting this one instead. It's fine, don't worry about it. I only got it for $9.99, which is not bad, or $8.74, which is $7.99 in Costco. So shout out to Costco. And then in here, oh my gosh, in here we have the little charger cable thingy that you can just kind of open using the plastic. And then we have the cord, obviously. Now this is different from like my PC, so it's a little different. And then we have the Design by Apple California logo sticker. So I don't know, let's see. So we have this, we have the, you know, what comes inside it, the obviously how to how to use your MacBook Air, like how to set it up. And then we have the infamous space gray stickers, obviously. Oh, I really wanted rose gold, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You know, we don't get everything that we want in life. So now we're going to put this bad boy back in its box. And yeah, I'm going to set this up. I'm going to kind of set it up, kind of figure out how I like it, and then show you guys the final result. Can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm so excited. So now we are unboxing the Mac itself. So you kind of, from what I've seen in videos, you pull out the plastic like this. bam. Oh my goodness, this is like similar. This is the space gray, and then this is also space gray. Look how like lighter this one is though. This one is ugly. Sorry, PC, but no, you are a bye-bye. So we have this. It looks like this. I really want a case for it, so we're gonna kind of look at it, and we're gonna open it. We're gonna take out the little plastic film. It opens. I see an Apple logo. Oh my gosh, this is the thing in unboxings that are so exciting. So I'm gonna set this up and show you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so my Mac is now setting up. I just finished the whole process of trying to figure out how to set it up. I set up my Apple Pay, set up the Touch ID, set up the Siri, all that. It's all set up, and I even used my phone to kind of activate my Apple account and all that. And so it's setting up. Exciting. This is the space gray 13-inch. If you guys don't know, it's really cool. I really like how light it is just from like touching it, and how easy it is to kind of just move around. Like you go like this, it won't crash. Like you can go like this, but I won't go like that because it's a very now sacred laptop. Compared to this, it's very heavy, which is not nice. So this is so much better. Ooh, it's set up. It's set up. Oh my goodness. It has like this. It looks like this. I'm very excited. I'm now going to put all my pictures in and then update you guys on later on throughout the week how I really like my new computer and all that, and how I really like setting it up and all that. But I'm so excited. Hey guys, so update. I just finished setting up my MacBook. I've like downloaded all the apps that I need. I've kind of figured out how to put in my photos. It automatically uploaded through my iCloud, and then my messages I lost, but I have the contact still, so I kind of just need to set up a new messages and figured out how to do FaceTime. And I changed my lock screen. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's just my family and all that. So I'm gonna enjoy this, trying to figure out how to use my Mac and just figuring my new Mac and how to do this. So I'm just want to say that I'm so grateful for my new computer. If you guys don't know, I've had a PC for the longest time, and I just really needed an upgrade being a college student, and it was just time, like I really feel like, but I'm so blessed and so grateful. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Much love to you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next couple of videos I have planned for you guys soon on my IGTV. Bye.